Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Marzocco Linea Mini and just about ready to go here. So the light was not, or kept flashing because it wasn't heating the brew boiler. So we had to go underneath here and there's a little red switch that you press and that lets it heat again. And then once in a while I notice the water light keeps blinking. If we fill the water and we don't push the water tank all the way back in, then the water light keeps flashing, and then it'll never heat in that scenario either. So you just got to make sure you get the tank pushed all the way in. And we still need to install the label. We're just waiting for that. You can see I put blue tape where the old label was so that I would make sure it's lined up in the exact same way. And let's go ahead and make a shot. So you can see you have a great shot with 9.5 bars of pressure. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works great. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.